I'm showing how to buy shares of Thor Industries Inc. with a search for how to buy shares of Thor Industries Inc. Thor Industries makes recreational vehicles and related products, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker THO. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker THO to find Thor Industries Inc. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing before proceeding. Open the stock page to check basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the name, ticker THO, and the exchange to assure this is the right asset. To place a buy order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or handled according to the broker's rules. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before you can confirm the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.